Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, I would like to thank BISP team and the people of Pakistan as a whole for their warm welcome, the hospitality. From the moment we land Islamabad airport till this moment, which I can describe it was nearly a parental care. But overall, this has been a wonderful journey. 5 days of learning in the social protection model in Pakistan, especially beneficiary income support program. My overall takeaway was amazing, really, especially how the different institutions are collaborating in order to deliver a complete social protection programs. NADRA, BISP, other institutions, all to deliver the social protection in the country. And the collaboration mechanism has been a model that is really commendable and worth mimicking in other places. Regarding the institutional arrangement, if I could speak about that, it's again, it is amazing really how different institutions are coming together. We have seen that BISP is collaborating closely and have a well-integrated digital system, different platforms between BISP servers and NADRA, and as well as administrative platforms and systems like the taxation, like the vehicle registration, and all that to come together to give a 365-degree view of the socioeconomic details of the household, especially here where the people, or 90% of the people, or maybe 97% if I'm not mistaken, have a national ID. This is again another success story.